Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting tips and tricks related on ChatGPT. ChatGPT just yesterday are introducing biggest update. Which update ChatGPT are providing us? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start as a laptop screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply first of all, you need to open here ChatGPT. This is my ChatGPT account. How to log in, you know very well about this, and simply raise here one of the question. Which question you want ask, accordingly you can raise here question. I just simply raise here one question, LinkedIn creative mode. So LinkedIn creative mode related information ChatGPT are providing me, and we can wait finish the entire answer, and after that we receive something interesting question as well related on above question. So almost is done, and after finish this one, look at this, automatically predictable question is coming here related on above question. Which question you already asked, how do I start, or best practices for creative mode. So how do I start, like this, access your LinkedIn profile. So first question you are asking something else, and second question automatically predict ChatGPT, and if the question is suitable for your expectation, you can click and accordingly receive the information. This is the biggest and simple update ChatGPT are introducing us. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.